Hot Sauce Willies, get your hot sauce. Hot Sauce Willies, get your hot sauce. Hot Sauce Willies, HotSauceWillies.com.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Today we got some dark chocolate covered fire bites candied jalapeños from HotSauceWillies.com. What's up, guys? Welcome to Krazy Kimberlin Opinions. We're back with HotSauceWillies.com and we're switching it up today. No hot sauce. This time we got some stuff, some tasty looking treats. Tasty treats. From Little Bird. Curious Confections Dark Chocolate Covered Fire Bites, they're called. So they're like candied jalapenos covered in chocolate with some sea salt. Man, they freaking look awesome. So you know how we do. We check out the looks, the smell, and the taste, and the heat, usually. But since this is just a little bite-sized, delicious treat, we're probably still going to look at the looks, the smell, the taste, and the heat. Here's what they look like. We're going to show you what they look like inside in a minute. First, they're a little salty. Then they're a little chocolatey. Then decadent, and then whoa! That's what it says. I didn't make that up. Our dark chocolate covered fire bites are a uniquely delicious experience. Sea salt over dark chocolate gets you started, and then our candied jalapenos kick in. Curious? We think you'll love them. Cool. Ingredients? We got some chocolate, some vanilla, blah. I'm not going to get into the ingredients on this because I don't really know how to pronounce a lot of that stuff, so. Alright, guys. Little Bird. Curious Confections, dark chocolate covered fire bites from HotSauceWillies.com. I will have Hot Sauce Willies in the description below, so you can just click on it and go pick this stuff up, man. Let's dig right into these bad boys, man. I've been waiting to try these guys. We're going in. Smells like delicious treats. Smells like good, delicious chocolate treats. Oh, wow, they're a lot bigger than I thought. Holy crap. What the heck? Let's see if they look the same. Wow, what the heck? Alright, so we got like, I don't know, they're a lot bigger than I thought. Well, they're different sizes, so check that out. So that's them. Here we go, guys. HotSauceWillies.com. Dark chocolate covered fire bites. Now, I know there's different versions of this. There's dark chocolate, regular chocolate. So eventually we'll be getting to those too. You can check them out on HotSauceWillies.com. Going in. Oh, wait. I don't really see. Oh, okay, I see a little bit of the sea salt on there. All right, let's go for the big one. Oh my God. Starts out tasting like a raisinette, kind of. Definitely get the sea salt and sets it off, for real. Salt, but wow. I'm actually surprised. There's like a pretty nice freaking kick to it. Holy crap. Oh, good. That's a good tasty treat. Fire bites. Nice kick to it, honestly. I really wasn't expecting much heat at all. But holy crap. Delicious. I'm gonna eat this whole bag. These are amazing. Love them. Nice simple review today, guys. Nothing crazy or in the ordinary. Can't talk right now. Got my mouth full of tasty treats. On a heat level, I'll give it a solid 2. Has a really nice kick to it, man. I like them. Definitely different. They're awesome. Badass. I'm a dark chocolate fan. That's why I wanted to try these ones first. But, man, freaking damn good. So there you have it, guys. You can pick these up at HotSauceWillies.com. Fire bites. Get some of those mugs. I'm going to break one open. Let's break one open here. See what we got here. See, I see a seed in there. I see a seed. This, I don't really see too much in it. What's in there? Caramel is in there. Anyways, guys, there you have it. Quick little simple ordeal. Krazy Kimberlin opinions. HotSauceWillies.com. Fire bites from Little Bird. Get some.